Hello students, welcome back in a new session. So today we will discuss nested if statement. In this statement we have one condition inside the another condition of if else statements. So such kind of interrelated conditions are known as nesting in computer programming. We have the condition in which if else statement inside another if else statement. This is called nesting in computer programming. Any number of these statements can be nested inside one another. Indentation is the only way to figure out the level of nesting. Indentation means just like a tree structure form where we have some specific margins in between two lines inside one another. Here we have syntax of nested if else statement. Here we have if condition 1 is true, then condition 1 related statements will be executed. If condition 2 becomes true, condition 2 related statements will be executed. Same like that, all the internal conditions will be executed which are existed inside the condition 1. And finally, condition n. If condition n is true, then the condition n related statements will be executed. Or else, if condition is not true, then the else part will be executed and else block statements will be displayed as a resulting value. Meaning, if condition 1 is true, the condition 1 related statements will be executed and control goes out to condition 2. If condition 2 is also true, then condition 2 related statements will be executed. Similarly, all the conditional statements will be executed. If condition 1 is false, then control directly goes to the else block statements and else block statements will be executed. Now we have one task. In this task, we accept any two numbers from the user side. So one number will be contained by a variable and another number will be contained in the v variable. Now we check the condition a is greater than b as the first condition. If it is true, then display a simple message that a is greater than b. In the else block, write a simple message that a is less than b. Now here we have the solution. A equals to int of input of enter first integer number. B equals to int of input of enter second integer number. This is first if conditional statement. Then second condition will contain the floating number. So here we have f1 equals to float of input of enter a first float number. f2 equals to float of input of enter a second float number. Now the condition will be checked. If a is greater than b, then print of a is greater than b. Here a will contain the first value, second b contains the second integer value. If f1 is not equals to f2, then print f1 is not equal to f2. Else print a is less than b. So depending on the entered value of the user, these conditions will be activated. So we will see here in the example. One thing more I want to clear here, that we have discussed about the indentation. Indentation is nothing but this space which will be used inside the programming code. So compiler will understand everything here with the help of indentation, because in Python we don't use opening and closing braces inside the Python. Okay, that's why we have to mention the indentation. So when we open the parenthesis, in place of the parenthesis, we just shift one tab, that is our indentation. So let's move on to the real environment, that is our interactive mode. Here we have the program a equals to int of input of enter a first integer number. So here we have this condition a is greater than b. After the condition, in next line we use the indentation. So this indentation will be used as a opening braces or opening body of the if and any other condition statement. So print a is greater than b. Then the next if statement is not equals to f2. Here f1 is not equals to f2. This is another if condition inside the main if condition. Then after else, we will see an example here. We run this program. Here we have the user input. The first integer number we will enter from the user side, that is 100. Second integer, that is 200. Now first float number, that is 100.45. Second float number, that is 200.32. So now we got the answer in float, that is 100.45 is not equal to 200.32. Why this line of statement is not printing? Means why first condition is not satisfied? Because the user entered first integer number 100, second is 200. 100 and the condition was a is greater than b. So a must be greater than b. That's why this condition becomes false. So another if condition will be true and f1 is not equal to f2. That's why it is being printed. Now we see the next conditional criteria of this. Now we satisfied the both the conditions. So here we use 200 and 100. One condition will be satisfied. Here we use 100.20 and 100.21. Second condition is true, that is f1 is not equals to f2. Answer will be as 200 is greater than 100 and 100.2 is not equal to 100.2. So both the if condition will be printed here. And else part will be printed, because else part both the condition are satisfying the entries. Okay. So now if we see the third one, that is else part, when the else part will be displayed. Now for third condition, so here we use 100, 200 and 100.23 and 200.12. Now 100.23 is not equal to 200.12. It has displayed the floating value, and we have to display the else values. Else value will be, how we can display the else part? Both the conditions should be satisfied. So here we use 100 and 200. For floating point number, you will have to use 10.23 and 10.23. And we got the else part, that is 100 is less than 200, because we have given the A is less than B statement in the else part. So it will be displayed only when the condition 1 and condition 2 both are not satisfying. Okay, so that's all about this session.
I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.